Today, I have something really intriguing for you to delve into. We're going to read an article by Dr. Frank Serafini, who's a professor at Arizona State University, but also a pioneer thinker in literacy education. So he has put forward some compelling ideas in his piece entitled Reading Workshop 2.0. Before we dive into Dr. Serafini's article, I just wanted to remind you about the gradual release of responsibility (GRR) that you already know as framework in our reading and writing workshop. And as you know, this framework, the chunk of responsibility resides on the teacher initially, and then we do it together with the students, and then they do it together as collaborative learning, and then with the end goal of the students doing it by themselves. And you're already familiar with this GRR, these two pyramids. Okay, the inverted pyramid is the teacher's responsibility, the focus instruction and guided instruction. And the next triangle is a student's responsibility, collaborative learning, and independent learning. As you can see, the first top is I do it. It's the teacher. We do it together, guided instruction, and then you do it together, collaborative, and then you do it alone. That's the student's responsibility. Um, and Dr. Serafini challenges us. And as you read his article, I want you to think about how does the role of reading change in this new environment? And the next question is what new skills do readers need for this digital text? And then the last one that I want you to think about as you read the article, how can teachers integrate these digital resources into an already packed curriculum? Okay. It might be daunting, but I know there are ways that we can seamlessly integrate it. So I would like to hear your thoughts and post your thoughts in the discussion forum. Talk to you shortly. Bye for now.